Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on ACER Iconia P10. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it. And now from here you have to use volume up button to navigate to recovery mode and then press volume down button to select. And you are now in recovery mode, and from this menu you have to select wipe data factory reset and then press power button to confirm your choice. And now move to factory data reset and press power button again. And now you can select reboot system now to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.